Welcome to the demo of our project, the project that we developed as part of a generative AI hackathon that is organized by Alibaba Cloud and other stakeholders such as Khalifa University. Our project is to develop a chatbot and it's called ZenMate. ZenMate is composed of two words. Zen means calm and mate means companion. So it's a calm companion that is designed to provide mental health support and counseling to those in need. And it's currently hosted on Alibaba Cloud, a leading cloud service provider, and it is powered by Llama 2, a language inference model, as well as a knowledge base, a domain specific knowledge base that we got of Hugging Face. And this dataset is curated from counseling sessions between certified psychologists and users or customers. So when you first interact with our chatbot over a browser, you first encounter this interface. And first, let's start by addressing the URL. Because we are operating in a certain domain, that is the health industry, we are subject to complying with certain compliance requirements outlined by regulatory bodies such as HIPAA, which is Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, that is designed to protect individuals' data and information. So in order to comply with those requirements, we thought about communicating over HTTPS instead of HTTP. However, in order to purchase an SSL certificate from Alibaba, we first need to have a domain name, which would take a bit of time. So what we did is we created our own keys and certificate, self-signed certificate, and we embedded them within the Flask application. So the browser may flag it as insecure because the certificate is not from a trusted third-party certificate authority, but still the communication is encrypted, so the data is safe from being disclosed to an authorized third person. So coming back to the functionality, uh, first we see this window where we can give the prompt and the chatbot will complete and give us the response. So let's start by picking our theme. So we can just edit here. Let's say we want to talk about how to create a support system. So let's say we want to create a support system and let's ask our chatbot on how to create a support system. And let's give it some time to give us response. Meanwhile, we can also keep track of the communication in the backend. Currently, the query is posted to Llama 2, which is the language model used for language inference. It might take a few seconds to generate like a blend of the public knowledge known by the language model and also the domain specific that knowledge base that we acquired from Hugging Face. So it's quite a useful information, like we will see in a minute. Okay, so it does state a disclaimer, sort of, because it's not a certified practitioner. However, based on the knowledge base that we got from the certified medical practitioners, it can give us a very detailed and sort of accurate data. So the suggestions are identify specific challenges before creating a support system, and you can see for yourself it is quite detailed and comprehensive response. You can also go and ask a lot of things, but if we want to save that chat for future reference, we can come here to the left hand side and we can just click here. It will be automatically saved to the backend vector store. And there is a positive confirmation of the storage and it will reload. Let's give it some time. We can also see, for example, there is about growth mindset, how to develop a growth mindset that I asked it earlier. Just in the interest of time, we can see the response, and there are a 7 or 5 point plan on how to develop a growth mindset. From here, we go to another functionality which we think is a game changing in the mental health slash uh, mental awareness area. That is how to keep track of your daily activities or keeping track of activities in a diary. For example, let's say uh, I went to the gym at 6 in the morning. I came then and made breakfast, and then what else? Let's say I spent 20 minutes meditating. So this is a kind of uh, a diary. So the user can upload it. It will automatically go to the slash docs folder. That is the storage for the knowledge base. So ultimately it becomes a personalized knowledge base for that specific user. So when the chatbot is queried some other time, it takes everything into account, both the public knowledge, the knowledge that we got from Hugging Face, as well as the personalized knowledge to provide the user with a highly customized response. And we go ahead and upload it. And it's also it's the diary is also stored. It says uploading. It does take quite a bit of time, but we can also check here the uploading rate. It's already 83%. That's a good thing to see. And that's our chatbot, which we believe will play a significant role in mitigating the um, risks and effects of mental health on international scale. And we hope to see you in further iterations and versions of this chatbot. And I think it is uploaded and done. And this is our chatbot ZenMate. Thank you for watching.